Is something happening in the back? Bro, how did that door just close?
Robin, you are such a loser.
Yo, what's up, babies, man? This your man Robin, and we are in another banger, bro. Y'all see like the flippity flop of the wrist, bro? Who else you know flopping their wrist like me, bro? Like, huh? Anyway, bro, we on one of these we are playing one of these like spooky Japanese games, bro. Y'all know the vibes, bro. It's made by Chillers Arts. Y'all know who Chillers Art is. No intro needed. Let's get right into it. Come on now. This is what you get for being close to him. This over a dude? Yeah. Bro, y'all so petty, bro. Y'all petty. Bro, this seems so eerie, bro. Valorant Peak, bro. Y'all already know how you play games, bro. Valorant Peak. Valorant Peak. Yeah, bro, it's dark. I can't clear it.
Really, nigga?
Okay. Always check the stalls in these games, kids. Always check the stalls, bro. That's Robin's tip of the day. Graffiti? Wait. Red paper or blue paper? Red paper. What's that sound? Y'all hear that behind this door? Bro, I don't want to explore, bro. I don't feel like being white today, bro. No, I mean, no offense to my white people, but like...
Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Okay, we good. We good. We calm, we calm. We not going to rush nowhere. Yep. Uh-huh, we not going to rush nowhere. Why is it so loud over here, bro? Why is it so loud? Do I not get a flashlight? Nah, bro. Y'all mean to me ain't no flashlight down here? There ain't no flash? Bro, I'm so smart, bro. I'm so smart, bro. I got a light. I'm brave now. They can't stop me with a flashlight, bro. Stop playing with me. Something in the bathroom. Oh, let's go. Let me break these off. Bro, I'm so smart, bro. I'm so smart, bro. I'm so educated. Bro, stop playing with me. Go ahead, unblock these. Let's go. Can I go? What's the crouch button? Oh, it's probably C. Alright. Bro, if something comes out, through these vents, bro, I'm not gonna be able to handle it.
A few moments later.
Okay. Apparently I can get hurt by those. That's dumb. Bro, this is a long, creepy vent hallway, bro. Why am I going through long, creepy vent ways? I'm finna die. I know. Ah! I'm smart. I'm so smart. You finna run past me. You're so dumb. Bro, I'm so much smarter than that thing, bro. You saw how he tried to pull up on me, bro, but I'm too fast for him, bro. I'm too smart. Oh! Bro, no way he was trying to slide up on me in the stall. Bro, why am I chasing after? Wait, maybe he's leading me somewhere. Is he leading me? I feel so white. Hey, yo, dog. No way I'm following this dude. No way. Is he really leading me? Bro, do white tactics work in this game? Bro, white tactics work. So he's going this way. There's another tape recorder. I'm probably gonna go back and read it. Maybe not. Bro, autonomy knows. I don't know what to grab. I'm just gonna grab stuff, bro. So it appears most of this game is gonna be like played through like the vents. Alright, press the red button to start recording and stop. I'm already recording this conversation as we speak. You can press. I'm getting beat up within an inch of my life. I'm dying. I'm almost dead. I dropped my light. I got so scared I dropped my light. Bro, I dropped my light, bro. My only light source, bro. I'm in the darkness, bro. It's black. It's black. Let's go. Bro, this dude really snuck up on me while I was trying to read, bro. I can't partake in literature without getting obliterated, bro. That's so dumb. I'm so scared. Is he coming back around? Let's go, baby. We got our light. We're brave now. We're brave again, bro. I feel so brave right now. Bro, it's nothing like light to make you feel brave, dude. Let's go. Alright, we'll cut this left. We'll go back down this hole. Well, at least we want to check out this hole. So, where's this lead? This is the boys' bathroom. This has to be. Yeah, because it has urinals. Alright. So, the boys' bathroom. Another red paper. What is it? Orange paper? Bro, what do these papers do, though? Bro, what's that? Y'all see that red manifesting on my screen? Am I crazy? Alright, I think we're good. Okay. So there's orange paper for some reason. We unlock this. What's that? What's that red light? Do I want to go to it?
Oh, no. No.
Did I do something? Is something happening in the back? Bro, how did that door just close? Whoa! I'm dead. I'm literally dead. Wait, did she kill me? Bro. Dude, bro, she wasn't even attacking me, bro. And I wanted to cry. Okay, dude. Bro. She wasn't even attacking me, bro, and I wanted to cry. Oh my goodness, bro. This is so stressful. Okay, bro. We got this, bro. We got this. Alright. So apparently this does something. So do we toss it in here? I feel like, do we toss it in here? Is she gonna alright. Do we throw it, or this has to... No. I don't know what this... What? Ah! I figured out what it was for. That thing is a mother. I'm over here vibing with a portal, bro. That thing is a portal to the underworld, bro. And I was over there trying to partake in it. I was trying to partake in the underworld. Bro, Bro, dude, how long have I been playing this? How long is it, bro? We got like 26 good minutes of footage, bro. Y'all take that. That's like a 10-minute video. Hey, yo, dog, dude. I just wanted to test out this game, bro. I heard good things about it, bro. If you guys do want me to play this, bro, you guys already know what I'm gonna do, bro. I'll go ahead and knock it out for y'all. I'll play the full game, obviously, bro. I still gotta play Alda. I still gotta play all this stuff. I know. But just in case, bro, y'all do want to see this, let me know in the comment section down below. And until then, baby, God first, God bless.